Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your username on Discord. I'll also show you how to change your nicknames on different servers. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'm doing this on the PC app. If you are on mobile, it will be the same steps, but the buttons might be in slightly different places. Let's begin. Launch Discord, then open up the user settings from the bottom left of the screen beside where it says your username. On the account page here, click Edit. You can now enter your new username here. You are allowed to change your username twice every 30 minutes. Click Save once done. Your username has now been updated. It's also possible to have a different display name for each server you are in. You can do this by changing your nickname. Enter a server and then click the arrow button beside the server name to bring up a drop-down menu and then select Change Nickname. Changing this nickname will change how you are displayed in that server only. You can have a different name for each server you are in. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.